no tights. And let my mama tell it, nigga, I ain't living right.